How's it going, people? Guy on the internet who doesn't like reviews. Look, I know you've seen the reviews from people from months ago and blah, 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 but give me a break. I'm in a small, off of the map town in Bonesfuck, Georgia. We just not got these. Migos Rap Snacks, or Rap Snacks, Migos, the Migo brand. Sour cream with a ranch, with a just a dab of ranch. And it's weird though. I didn't find these in like a Walmart. I didn't find these in like a Big Lots. They usually have like weird stuff on sale or clearance in Big Lots. These were at the local hood gas station. Like the gas stations are like on the bad part of town. You know that one. That's where I found these. And it looked like the people had just like ordered these like one box just to test. It's like, we know black people come here. We don't know these guys, but we're gonna try and get one box of these things to see how well they sell. So read the back of it. Dabbing is a lifestyle. Migos. Words to live by, gentlemen. Words to live by. So without further ado, let me get into these chips. They smell oddly. They smell like stale ranch dressing. I've heard good reviews, but you know, you always gotta try for yourself. Maybe it's the bag, but let's just bite into one. Okay. It's like a sour cream and onion chip. We've all tasted those before, but toned down. It's slightly toned down, maybe because the onion isn't there anymore, but you still taste a heavy amount of sour cream. Maybe that's the wrong word. A moderate amount of sour cream. But then right in the middle, you have a dab of ranch to hit your taste buds. It's not bad. Not bad. It's not the best sour cream chip I've ever had, but it's not the bad. It's not the worst. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's a sour cream chip. Good chip. I mean, that's all I really got to say about these. Nothing bad, nothing good, but they're tasty. They're all right. They'll pass the snack test. You'll eat on these for a while. Yeah, back to Shameless I go. I've been watching like a marathon of Shameless on season 7. And that show's fucking good. I think it's one of my top 5 shows. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to that. Migos sour cream with a dab of ranch. Good chips. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace out.